There is a section on your LinkedIn profile that you're probably overlooking right now that could be the difference between you signing your next client or them going with your competition. Think about this for a second. When you want to check out a brand new restaurant, what's the first thing that you do? You go to the website, you look at the menu, you get an idea, you look at some of the photos, it looks good. And then what do? You go over to Google and you look at the reviews. And if you see that they got a couple of horrible reviews or they have no reviews, then you may choose a different restaurant. It is the same exact thing on LinkedIn. Let me show you. All right, so if you scroll down to my section here, you're going to see recommendations. Right off the bat, it's going to look a little bit impressive when you see that I have 24 recommendations. And obviously you can also see that they're relatively current. December of 23, December of 23, November of 23, November of 23, October, September. You can see I've got a bunch of recommendations, all recent from paying clients. So this obviously helps give me a credibility boost. And usually what happens when I visit somebody's recommendation section is I see a last recommendation is from 2010 and it's like 4 jobs ago. And when people come and see that on your page, it's just not a good look. Plus, I can also send potential clients to these recommendations to show that I am actively working with clients and that they are obviously getting results, which ultimately any type of prospect would want to know that you can deliver them results. So look, I know recommendations are kind of hidden down towards the bottom of your profile, but they could be that game changer that helps you sign your next client. And if you are looking for better ways to level up your LinkedIn profile, make sure you check out my last video all about how to master your about section. See ya.